Unlock the true potential of your Nikon Z5 for video with seamless external monitoring. Let's get your Nikon Z5 outputting a clean signal to your external monitor or recorder first. Locate the HDMI port on your camera, usually found under a small flap on the side. You'll need a compatible HDMI cable. Connect one end securely to your Nikon Z5's HDMI output. Then, connect the other end to the HDMI input on your external display or recording device. Make sure your external device is powered on and ready to receive the signal. Now, let's dive into the camera's settings. Power on your Nikon Z5 and press the menu button. Navigate to the playback menu. This is usually represented by a play icon. Look for the HDMI icon or a setting specifically related to HDMI. Within the HDMI settings, you'll find an option for output. Select on to ensure the camera is always sending a signal. Importantly, you'll want to configure the output resolution and frame rate. Match these settings to your external monitor or recorder's capabilities for the best experience. Options like Full HD at 30 or 60 frames per second are common. To achieve a clean feed without distracting camera information, find the HDMI info display or a similar setting. Toggle this to off. This removes important UI elements like battery meters and shooting settings from your external monitor. With these settings applied, your external monitor should now display a clean, live feed from your Nikon Z5, giving you ultimate control over your framing, focus, and exposure. This enhanced workflow will bring a new level of precision to your video productions.